Hey guys, Aaron back here with the Ferrari F430. Today we're going to learn how to do some adjustments here using the buttons down here, the set and mode buttons. So first of all, I'm going to put the key in the ignition. I'm going to turn the ignition on and it's going to go through its checks, and you're going to see here after I close my door that it shows me the time, and the time is incorrect. So I needed to learn how to set the time. So the way you do that, the button on the left is mode. So I'm just gonna hold that in for a few seconds until this display changes. Now this right here, if I leave it for 10 seconds, it's gonna go back. So it's gonna default while I do that, but this is the brightness of my instrument panel. It is on 25 now, and it goes from 0 to 30. So if I press the set button while that was being displayed, it will increase the brightness. So let me go back and show you that. Hold this in. Now if I press the set button, it's going to go up to 30, and then it's going to go back down to 0. So we can adjust the brightness by doing that. Now if I press the mode button again, it's going to change to the clock, and this is whether or not it's on or off. So I can hit the set button to say whether or not to display the clock. I like the clock, so we're going to leave it on. Pressing the mode button again moves over to the hours. Now I can adjust the hours. Right now it is 3:35. Mode again to move over to the minutes. Then press set, and I can do that. And then mode one last time goes back to the beginning. So those are the things you can set with the mode and select button. Now if I just push the mode a short press, it toggles between the ambient temperature, my tire pressures, and the clock. So you can have whatever you want displayed there. And if I press the set button briefly, it actually changes the odometer over here. So you can see it toggles it back and forth between my total mileage and the trip mileage. Now if I hold it in, it's going to reset the trip mileage back to zeros. So you can go back and forth between your actual mileage and the trip meter just by pressing this quickly. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, guys. Make sure you're subscribed, and we will see you back on the next video. We'll learn more about the Ferrari F430.